How to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once you're inside, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Chats, and then select Chat Backup. Here, tap on Backup Now to create a local backup of your chats. After that, go back and tap on Export Chat. Now, choose the chat you want to back up and tap on it. You'll then get the option to include media. Tap on Attach Media if you also want to include photos and videos in your backup. Next, the Share menu will open. Swipe through the options and select Google Drive. Finally, tap on Upload from the top right corner to save your chat to Google Drive. And that's it. Your WhatsApp messages will be backed up successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.